Let us study the anatomy and distribution of the facial nerve. I am not a good person in drawing. So when it comes to the facial nerve, you can divide the face into two parts, just above the eyes and below the eyes, and left and right. In the facial nerve nucleus, as we studied, it is located in the CP angle. There are two. The facial nerve nucleus, each nucleus also can be divided into two parts arbitrarily, and the lower part supplies the ipsilateral lower face. The upper part of the nucleus supplies ipsilateral upper face. Likewise, the lower part to the lower face, the upper part to the upper face. When it comes to the upper motor neurons, as we told, they cross. So the left side upper motor neuron comes and crosses and supplies the facial nucleus, and the right side upper motor neuron comes and crosses and supplies the upper and the lower division. Interestingly, facial nerve has another supply only for the upper part, that is mainly from the ipsilateral brain. So there is another additional supply that comes and synapse only for the upper part fibers only. Likewise, on the left side it comes and supplies the left upper face only. Let me take two examples. The very first, lower motor neuron type of lesion, where there is a damage to the lower motor neurons. These two greens are the lower motor neuron, so I can make a damage here. This damage will lead to disruption of the nerve supply to the ipsilateral upper and the lower face. So the damage is ipsilateral upper and the lower face. Muscles of facial expression will be lost. If there is a damage to the upper motor neuron of the right side, what happens here is, when there is a damage to the right side, so the right upper motor neuron crosses and supplies the left side. So we assume that there should be weakness of the upper and the lower part of the left face, but it doesn't occur as such, as the upper part is spared because there is an additional supply from the ipsilateral brain. So only you have this contralateral lower half weakness. So simply the ipsilateral lower motor neuron type lesion causes same side upper and the lower face weakness, and for example, the right sided upper motor neuron facial nerve damage causes contralateral, that is left sided lower half weakness only, and the Forehead wrinkling on the left side is spared.